is reviving the Zoom Spiridon for holiday 2025 with fresh updates that balance its late 90s DNA and new experimental design. Originally released in 1997 by Christian Tresser, the Spiridon was the first Nike model with a full-length visible Zoom Air unit. While it wasn't a mainstream hit at launch, it later gained cult classic status among Nike running silhouettes. Following OG-focused colorways earlier this year, Nike is now pushing boundaries with bold materials and new builds, including denim, high-pile fabric, mesh, and canvas. After August's striking hot fuchsia version, the upcoming season introduces styles like the preppy fur and the subtle Off-Noir and Cave Purple. The latter features a mesh base, canvas mudguard replacing leather, suede swooshes, reflective accents, and a mix of white midsole with a gum brown outsole. Priced at $170, the Nike Zoom Spiridon Off-Noir and Cave Purple launches in men's sizes this holiday 2025.